This is all I lack. A couple little parts, tubes for the rockets, landing gear, and the figures, and of course canopy, and some exhaust hoses. But she's basically assembled. Basically all the major parts are on. Gatling gun, the armament, and of course gotta add some little wires and stuff to add to it, but no biggie. Got cherry in, got a little more sanding to do, add a little putty. Almost got the seam sanded smooth. Got a little bit right there. The rocket pod's going good. I'm in the process of adding the back of the pods. And I'm going to take Mr. Reamer, ream out the hole so I can add the front pods in. They stick up just a little too much, but no big deal. And I gotta try to, it's a little top heavy, but because he wants the door removable so you can see the inside. But it's looking good. I think the Assault Raptor is the best Raptor of the bunch. Very little cleanup. I pinned all the wings on, but then I had to add a little 5-minute epoxy in there too, so we got a real good bond. And one question everyone asked me, and yes, I put everything together, then I paint it. For me, it's just easier. You do paint modulation, you control. You know, if you get a little paint on something, you can touch up. I like to get all the assembly done first, and any sanding, any debris on it, get that wiped away, and then paint. Hopefully, in a few days, I'll be able to get some primer on it, and then shoot a coat of flat black on it to light block everything, mostly just on this side and in the front where I got the lights at and around the engines. Then I can figure out kind of what color they used. It's a really fun build. You can't leave it alone. Just keep on building it. It's one of the models you just can't stop.